Maths for physics, differentiation 4. Can you just remind me as to what we did yesterday?
Sir, yesterday we discussed about quotient,
Quotient, yeah,
some derivations, and we
yeah,
discussed.
Yes, quotient rule we did, product rule we did, huh? And then sum rule we did. Yeah. So before going to another idea, I'll give you a little more practice for these rules only. So if y equals cot x, find dy by dx using quotient rule. Okay. For you to get to get a little practice, I'm giving this. I'm not asking you from the first principles. And I've already given you the derivative of cot x directly in the table. So you know the answer in advance. Okay. But to get a little practice of the quotient rule, we can try it. So can somebody suggest something? Children. Y equals, how should I write? Cot x is what? Cos x by
sin x.
Sin x. So dy by dx will be written how? Tell me.
P into dy by dx minus
Sin x into d of
u
dx
cos x by
minus cos x into d of
sin
by
square.
Right. So what does it become now? Sin x will be sin x as it is. Differentiation of cos x
Minus sin x.
minus sin x minus cos x into differentiation of sin x. Cos x, right. Divided by
Sin square x.
Sin square x. So this is minus of sin square
Sin square x minus cos this sin square.
One.
You know, 1 by sin x is cosecant.
Cosecant.
Right?
Yes, sir.
You need to keep writing. You cannot keep watching others. There's no watching business. It's not a feature film. And similarly, if you finished it, tell me, I'll continue.
1 minute.
Yeah. So,
Done, sir.
right. I'll continue.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Right. Now, if y equals secant x, find dy by dx using quotient rule. Already I've given you in the table without doing it from the first principles. The answer is there with you. You can refer back. So how do I start? Somebody, please. This actually to make you do, not that keep doing and you'll copy. So,
Sir, secant x can be written as
1 by
1 by
cos x.
cos x.
cos x, right? So dy by dx equals what? This one, cos x,
Cos x into
derivative of 1,
x.
derivative of 1, constant, that is
0.
0, minus 1 into derivative of cos x
Cos x.
by
Cos x.
cos square x, cos x into cos x, v
Cos
square,
square.
right? So this
Yes,
is
yes.
derivative of 1, constant 0. And my cos x derivative is what?
Minus
Minus sin x.
Minus
This minus
sin
minus.
square.
minus
Fine.
sin x.
Yeah, minus, and there's already a minus here. Plus
Yes, sir.
by
Cos square x.
cos square x. So this can be written as sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. This is
1
tan
by
x.
tan x times 1 by cos. Yes, sir.
So my ultimate goal is this. I want you to feel comfortable with the applying that u by v formula. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I'm just going around the functions which I've already given you in the table. So by doing this, the derivatives stay in the mind just like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have one minor doubt, sir.
Please
Sir,
tell
like
me.
I wonder in the second step where did the d by x go, sir? Dx, sorry. Here,
You're asking the same thing again. The whole dy by dx is 0. What it means is there's not.
no,
It's
sir.
not. I told you already. These are the different, not different characters. It's a representation. What derivative of 1 with respect to x. This whole meaning. So there's nothing like dx remaining, right? It's a notation.
Okay, sir.
I think you asked the same question yesterday.
Yes, sir.
This whole thing becomes 0. Like, did we
Okay.
not say d of cos x
Then d of cos x, then the
by
whole thing
dx
becomes sin x.
sin x
Minus
minus sin
Okay,
x,
okay,
isn't
sir.
it? That's what
Yes,
we
sir.
wrote in the table.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, now.
This is one statement x, derivative of 1 with respect to x is 0.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
the whole thing disappears.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. So can I continue, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But you need to keep writing. I don't want you to just stay and stare at the screen.
Okay. Done, sir.
Right. Now I'll just go for the product rule.
Okay.
Given that y equals x square e power x, Find dy by dx. There are two functions given. One is x power n function into e power x function. So choose one of them as u, the other as v. So what should I write? Somebody try. Ganesh.
dy by dx equals to u times dv
This is
by
u.
dx.
Let me say this is u.
Okay, sir.
D of
dv by dx
plus
e
v
power
into
x into du by
so x square into d of e power x by dx is how much? This whole thing goes in not e power x plus e power x into derivative of x square. X power n function, right? N into x power n
yes,
minus
sir,
1.
yes, sir.
That's all. You can take common or just leave it, doesn't matter. After the simplification is not the issue here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Done. Tell me how to do this. Dy by dx equals. Somebody else try now. Suhita. This is x into sin x.
X into derivative of sin x by dx.
Yeah. Plus
Sin x into derivative of x by dx.
this will be what? X cos x, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give one more. So
Sir, one more.
We can write it as tan x into tan x.
tan x into tan x. Okay. So dy by dx equals
Tan x into derivative of tan x by
d of tan x, you say, by
okay.
dx plus once again tan x only, isn't it?
Yes.
So tan x into derivative of tan x is what?
Secant square x.
Secant square x plus same thing, right?
Yeah.
So ultimately you get it as right, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
Aman, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Dhanush Chandra, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You're not speaking. It becomes trouble later, Dhanush.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll introduce you to a new method now. Are you
1
ready?
minute.
Oh, yeah. Or I'll give a little more practice, I'll give, because I'm not sure, because some people are not speaking. Next. Y equals x square log x. Come on. So let me cover all the given functions there. So tell me.
X square d of log x by dx.
Just a minute. So dy by dx equals. Tell me, Suhita.
X.
X square into
square d of log x
dx plus.
log x into d of x square by dx.
So tell me now.
X square into 1 by x.
Because that's there in the table, d of log x by dx is there already.
Yes, sir.
2x.
That's all. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Do I'll give a few more.
Sir, 7th.
You're done.
7, 8, 9. I've given 2 more. I thought I would introduce one more, but Let me give a little more practice. Because I was worried about some people who are not speaking, they are writing. So that writing or also I don't know, because I can't see you. I can't once again go back to the videos and see you. Probably I need to see now. So tell me, seventh one, who did? Tell me, what should I do?
Sir,
Sir,
E of x, e power x times d of tan x.
Just a minute. Dy by dx equals. Now we'll write in one step. Try to write in one step. E power x into derivative of tan x. How much?
Secant square x.
Secant square.
Secant square x side plus tan x into derivative of e power x.
e power x.
E power x, sir.
So get used to writing in one step. Huh?
E
Yes.
common we can take.
Yeah, you can take common. You can. That's not a big deal. Then this
Yes,
one,
sir.
8.
E power x into 1 by x plus log
Just a
x
minute.
into
Let me write dy by dx first. Dy by dx equals e power x into derivative of log x
1 by x
plus log
log
x
x
into derivative of e power x.
e power x.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
So few people are speaking. How about others? If they're following, well and good. Otherwise, it will be trouble.
Yes, sir. E power x.
Vasist, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving a lot of an exercise here. So if not in one sum, the next sum you need to follow the idea.
Yes,
So
sir.
who will try this? Look here, there's a product rule is there plus
Um,
rule is there that you need to realize. Tell me, children. Who will try this? Vasist?
Yes, sir. So, sir, can we do it in two parts? Like first we take x into sin x, and then we take.
Yeah. First of all, in one go we can do. Tell me about this.
Yes, sir. So
X into derivative of sin x.
Derivative of sin x, which is cos x.
Cos x.
Cos x plus sin x into derivative of x
1, sir.
plus derivative of e power x. That's
Yes.
all. Isn't it? This is plus children. This is 1. So x cos x plus sin x plus e power x. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Right.
Could you give us another one of the last type,
Yes, tell me.
the next one?
Huh?
Sir, could you give us another one of the same type?
When I'm just waiting others to do something.
Done, sir.
I'll give more. Right. I'm going to the next slide. I'll just increase the level slightly. Huh? Okay, not yet. Composite function. Okay, let me stick to this one. I'll see. Some random function I can form. X square by x square by just a minute, 1 second. E power x plus x, come on, persist.
Sir, so it starts
It is
x plus x into
this is first in u by v form, right? Huh?
yes.
So just tell me dy by dx when I want to write for this, what will happen?
So it's x plus x into derivative
Actually,
of
your
x
voice
plus
is breaking, Vasist. Are the microphone is in front of you?
yes, sir. Can you
Okay.
hear me now?
E power x plus x, that is v, huh?
Yes, sir.
Into d of
X squared.
by dx minus this is u, this is v. So v into du by dx minus u
X
X
square.
squared. So
d of
x plus x.
by dx, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
By
V square. Whole square.
right, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So e power x plus x into 2x. Am I correct? X square into e power x plus 1. This is derivative of e power x plus derivative of x. This is e power x. This is dx by dx is 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then e power x plus x whole square. Just you can leave like this. You do not simplify it. All right, children?
Yes, sir.
I'll
Yes,
give a
sir.
few more.
Yes, sir.
dy by dx equals how much?
Done, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
just
is
once.
that X plus tan?
X plus tan x, yeah, plus that is. Yeah, now what should we do for this? dy by dx equals
X
Suhita,
x plus tan x d of
just a minute. X plus tan x into d of
1 plus x square by dx
right plus
1 plus x square d of x plus tan x by dx.
right. Now becomes what?
X plus tan x into 2x
Yeah, because this is 1 is 0, this is 2x plus
1 plus x square into 1 plus secant square x.
right, good. Yeah, this is what, this much I want from you, children.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Others, few others I want. Vishnuvardhan is not speaking.
Done, sir.
And who else? Motshagnya. Okay, shall I continue further?
Yes, sir.
I just, Shivacharan, are you okay with the whole thing?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now, let me give a little physics color to the whole thing. Okay. The displacement of a particle as a function of time is given by x equals at minus bt square. A and b are constants. Find the time other than find the time. Just a minute. 1 second. Find the time when the velocity of the particle is 0. Okay. Come on. Now a little physics. So
Sir, we can say it directly now, sir. 0.
tell me directly.
0. When the party find the time, 0 seconds.
Tell me how.
Sir, 0 seconds doesn't do anything. So it is 0 directly.
Okay, I'll do something. Just a minute. I'll give you at square and 3t cube. Come on. Even now you'll say the same thing.
Yes, sir. We can take t common and we will have other two solutions, but 0 is one of the solution.
Look, we need to take x equals at square minus bt cubed. Find out velocity first, which is dx by dt equals what? A into 2t minus b into 3t square. Okay. So velocity is 2at minus 3bt square. So one is t equals 0 is all right, but there will be one more time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 0 equals, you cannot tell without finding what v. Try to understand, Vishnuvardhan.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So 280 minus 3b t square. So 280 equals 3b t square. T equals what? 2a by 3b. All right.
Yes, sir.
Come on, do that, children. So can I continue?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in initial equation, the answer is a minus 2bt, right?
No, because that fellow told that's what happened there is a t equals 0 only, that will be 0. So that's the reason I changed it for one more time.
Ah.
So complete it or continue. We need finally the whole idea is for physics, right? So we need to do physics questions.
Sir,
Hmm.
what is the derivative of a constant, sir? It will be constant itself.
Constant, if I have like this, dy by dx equals 0. But don't say y equals 2x. 2 is a constant there. 2 is into x, that is. Okay,
Yeah.
x plus x.
Yeah.
So don't, supposing even if you do like that by UV, you will still get the answer, but that's a waste of time.
Yeah, okay, sir, got it.
So can I continue, children, quickly?
1 minute, sir.
Hope.
Time, sir.
Right, I'll go. The displacement of a particle is given by s equals 20t minus 10t square. Find velocity and acceleration at t equals 2 seconds. Anytime velocity at 2 seconds, acceleration at 2 seconds means you need to find out instantaneous values, right? Come on. Come on, children.
Sir, I'm getting it as negative. Is it correct or wrong?
We'll see.
Yeah.
So tell me, Vishnu, what should I do?
Sir,
Instantaneous velocity should find, which is ds by
dt.
dt. So since s equals 20t minus
10t square.
10t square, v equals ds by dt equals 20 into 1. Derivative of t is 1. By now we should be clear,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
10 into 2t.
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 Yes, sir.
So velocity is what?
20 minus 20.
20 minus 20t. Yeah?
20t. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah, t is
Now acceleration is dv by dt. So now I should differentiate this. 20 is a constant, 0 minus 20 into 1. Right. So acceleration is coming minus 20, and every time it will be same because there's no t in this. But velocity at 2 will be 20 minus 20 into 2. How much is that?
minus 20.
Minus 20 meters per second. This is 20 meters per second square, of course.
Yes, sir.
All right, children.
Yes, sir.
Others. Remember, your learning will be over 50 to 60% here. Later, you learn the remaining thing by doing your own practice. All right. Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
1 second.
Yeah. So this much of time you don't get later. If somebody comes later, for example, so this much elaboration of the elementary things we won't be able to do. Okay, another question, I'll put it here only. S equals, I have t cubed minus 6t square plus 3t plus 4. Okay, displacement as a function of time. Okay, this is, so velocity equals how much when acceleration is 0? Another question. Okay, so it's fun, just keep doing it. Are you trying, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it 3 second? Sorry, 3 meters per second.
Velocity, yeah.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Let me see. So Vishnu, tell me, what should I do?
Sir, first we have to find out
Velocity, ds by dt.
Yes, sir.
Now, how much is it?
3t square
3t square. Good. Then
minus 12t
minus 12t
Plus 3.
plus 3.
plus
Yeah.
3 plus 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
Then
acceleration,
dv by dt.
dt.
Yes, sir. Yeah. The 60
60,
minus 12.
Minus 12, yes, sir.
that is 0.
And that it is equal to 0. Yes,
Now
yes.
make this as 0.
Yes, sir.
So t equals how much?
2.
Go
Yes, sir.
back
2, sir.
to
2
this.
seconds. Yes, sir.
So v equals 3 into 2
4.
square, 4 minus 12 into 2.
2. Yeah.
plus 3.
Yes. Sir.
So
Yeah.
12 minus 24.
4 plus 3.
So much is this?
Minus
Minus
9.
9. So you told something.
Mistake, sir.
Hmm. So can I give one more question? Finished up anyway. Yeah. Children, and one simple single idea I'm giving so much. So you need not have to say, sir, which book I should read, whatever. Just try to follow what is done in the class thoroughly. And remember, I'm not doing all the differentiation which is there in mathematics. I'm just doing those things which we are going to use later once we start kinematics and other things. Okay. So I expect you to focus thoroughly here. You don't require to read any other mathematics book right now or some other notes, whatever. Just what is required is being taught. So I want you to focus and keep talking to me.
Yes, sir.
So can I continue then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, a particle is moving along x-axis. For example, that x is given by 3 t square minus t cubed. Okay. What is the acceleration of the particle at the end of each first 4 seconds? So again and again, we're coming back to a similar idea.
Sir, what is x, sir? Is it velocity?
X is displacement.
Okay.
Sir, end of first 4 second means it's 5th second or 4th second, sir.
First second, third second, fourth second, like at every second, up to 4 seconds.
I didn't understand, sir.
Huh?
I didn't got it, sir. What is the question? Can you explain?
At the end of each first 4 seconds.
At the end of each first, yeah, okay. And for first, second, third, fourth.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, okay.
So, come on. So V equals, first we need to find V, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is it minus 18 meters per second?
Are you giving one answer? There are 4 answers, right?
Yes, sir.
You have not understood the English. 18 may be the last. Yeah, that's one more problem in physics. You need to understand what is questioned. What is the question that expects from you? This tip has gone. The new tips. You need to do v equals dx by dt first, right? What will be v? I'll tell this without writing.
60 minus
60 minus 3t square, right?
sir.
V. Remember 60 minus 3t square.
3t square, yes, sir. Then
Writing again, just a minute. V equals dx by dt equals somebody left 60 minus 3t square. No problem with this, isn't it? A equals dv by dt.
6
Yes, sir.
minus
6 minus 60.
60.
60.
60.
So A at the end of 1 second will be what?
0.
0. A at the end of 2 seconds.
Minus 6.
6 minus 12 minus
Minus
6.
6 meter per second square.
Yeah. A t equals 3 seconds.
Minus 12 meter.
6 minus 18. So A at the end of 4 square will be what? 6 minus
24.
24. That's what was asked, Enoch. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Done. Now, this same question I'll take. X is 3t square minus t cubed is all right. Find the average acceleration for the interval t1 equals 2 seconds and t2 equals 4 seconds. Come on. For the same question, so that life becomes easier in calculation. What I want to stress is what all you found out now are what? Instantaneous accelerations.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm asking
Average.
average acceleration, not even average velocity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can I use this expression, v expression? Because A average will be, children, delta V by delta.
Delta T.
Isn't it so?
Yes.
So what do I have for V? I should not take this A here. I should take this V. 60 minus 3
3T square.
T square. Now A average means that is V2 minus V1 by
T2
minus. Since you asked the times straight away, I can use this. I need not go for general approach like V plus delta V, all that I need not have to do because he's giving the times directly here. So V2 means what? Velocity at 4 seconds. Put there 6 into 4 minus 3 into 4 square. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Final velocity at 4 seconds. V1 2. 6 into 2 minus 3 into 2 square by T2 minus T1. What is that? 4 minus 2. So simplify it. 24 minus 3 into 16. 48.
Yes.
Minus 12 minus 12 by 4 minus 2. See if the calculations are all right. So what do I get now? Minus 24 by 2.
Minus meter per second.
Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
So you should not, as we are doing a new thing, don't forget the old one. That's why I just went to the average thing there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Tomorrow we'll take up another new thing. Hope enough practice is already there, but I want you to, if you feel your understanding is not so good, just do the same practice again, watch the same video again. So this won't come back again. Okay. Thank you. I'll close it right now. We'll meet tomorrow again. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.